While some people consider their scars to be marks of pride, many people just want them to go away. Since they can affect your appearance, they can make you feel self-conscious. If you want to get rid of a scar, you need to understand what a scar is and what type you're trying to get rid of. There's no known way to make scars totally disappear, but many will become lighter over time on their own. Not just the natural remedies to externally apply on your skin, you can also consume foods rich in vitamins like green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, fish, carrots, and avocados to get rid of scars. Here are 25 remedies that have been effective for some people. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is naturally antimicrobial and has many benefits if applied regularly on the skin. Aloe vera may help reduce skin irritation and scars and encourage the regeneration of new skin cells. To try this, extract the gel from aloe leaves or buy organic aloe vera gel or gel-based products from the market. Apply the gel directly to your scar using circular motions. After half an hour, wash the gel off with fresh, cool water. Repeat twice each day. 2. Honey. Honey is used for numerous medicinal purposes, including burns, wounds, and herpes. Raw honey is an age-old therapy to fade scars. It contains bioactive compounds that stimulate tissue regeneration and can aid in treating wounds. Cover your scar with a layer of honey before going to bed. Wrap the honey-covered scar with a bandage. Leave it on for one full night. In the morning, remove the bandage and wash off the honey with warm water. Make this part of your routine every night. You can also mix honey with cinnamon for better, smooth and clear skin. 3. Coconut oil. There's hardly any skin condition that can't benefit from the rich, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of coconut oil. Coconut, if made a part of your daily regimen, can heal or help fade away the scars, as coconut oil is rich in omega fatty acids that penetrate and moisturize the skin so it can restore your skin's glow. Heat a few tablespoons of coconut oil, just enough to liquefy it. Massage the oil into the scar for about 10 minutes. Let the skin absorb the oil for a minimum of 1 hour. Repeat 2 to 4 times every day. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been touted as an all-around natural ingredient for everything from cleaning solutions to skin care. It soaks in excess oils and keeps the skin pores clean and exfoliated naturally, leaving a soft, smooth and blemishes-free skin. Combine 4 tablespoons of distilled water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Dip a cotton ball into the water-cider mixture and generously dab your scar. Let it dry. Do this every night before you go to bed, washing the area in the morning. Try this daily for effective results. If you have sensitive skin, dilute mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 10 parts water. 5. Lavender and olive oil. Lavender oil has been shown to improve collagen synthesis, which is the major building block of healthy skin. In addition to helping treat burns, eczema, and acne, lavender's healing and soothing properties may also help diminish scar tissue. Mix 3 drops of lavender essential oil into 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Massage the mixture into the scarred area for about 5 minutes. Leave the oil in place for about 30 minutes. Rinse the area with warm water. Repeat this process a minimum of 3 times a day. 6. Lemon. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent. With its lightening properties, it can be used to lighten the pimple marks or scar easily. Take the lemon juice and rub it gently on your pimple marks and other affected areas. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. You can use a cotton pad or your fingers. Make sure your hands are clean. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Do it every alternate day. Use fresh lemons for effective results. You must do this once every alternate day. 7. Potato. The potato juice is one of the best remedies to treat acne scars at home. Slice a potato into medium-thick rounds. Using a circular motion, rub the potato slice on your scar. Once the potato slice starts to dry out, discard it and continue rubbing with another slice. Continue rubbing and replacing for about 20 minutes and then let the scar air dry for about 10 minutes. Rinse the area with cool water. Repeat this process at least 1 time each day. 8. Rosehip and frankincense. Rosehip and frankincense work together to soothe the skin and encourage both emotional and physical wellness. Mix equal parts rosehip essential oil and frankincense essential oil. Massage the rosehip frankincense mixture onto the scar. Wait for 45 minutes before gently rinsing the area with warm water. Follow this procedure 3 times a day. 9. Baking soda. Baking soda is known for its exfoliating and bleaching properties. Regular use of baking soda helps in getting rid of clogged skin pores and skin marks. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water and apply it on your scars. Let it dry and wash it off after 10 to 12 minutes. 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is one powerful and all-natural, homemade mask you can use to further help your skin to heal faster. This magical combination consists of oats, lemons, and honey. Grind a tablespoon of oatmeal and mix it with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey until you turn the mixture into a thick paste. Apply the mask on a clean face and massage on your scars for a couple of minutes. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash off with lukewarm water. 11. Orange peel powder. Full of the goodness of citric acid that helps in lightening the marks and brightening the skin, orange peel powder is a blessing for those who don't know how to remove pimple marks from their skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder with honey. Mix it well to remove all lump and to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your scar. Let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. 12. Castor oil. Castor oil contains vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. These enriching elements help in repairing the damaged skin layer by helping in the growth of new skin cells. It also helps in fighting pigmentation, reduces the size of the acne scars. Take some oil on your fingers or cotton pad and apply it to the affected areas. Leave it on overnight and wash off the next morning with lukewarm water. Since castor oil has a thick consistency, it is imperative that you make sure it has completely washed away. 13. Turmeric. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties speed up and lighten the acne scars and skin tone. Regular use of turmeric powder on skin aids in the reduction of pigmentation and also gives a glowing skin tone. Mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Apply this paste evenly all over your face like a face mask. Leave it on your skin for 30 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. 14. Besan. Being one of the most easily available ingredients, besan comes handy for most skin troubles. It has been used as a skin cleanser for years to maintain the skin's pH balance. Mix besan, rose water and lemon juice to make a paste of thick texture. Apply the paste evenly on your face and neck, especially concentrate more on the affected areas. Let it dry and wash with plain water. 15. Tea tree oil. For acne and pimple-prone skin, tea tree oil is a savior. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties play as a perfect agent to get rid of marks and blemishes on the skin. Mix tea tree oil with a coconut or almond oil. Mix it well to make a paste and apply it uniformly to the pimple marks or scars. Let it stay for overnight or for at least 1 or 2 hours before washing it off. Try this daily for best results. Since tea tree oil needs a carrier oil, you can use any essential or mineral oil instead of coconut oil. 16. Onion extract. If you don't mind a little sting, then onion extract is another great option for you. With bioflavonoids, like cephalin and kaempferol, onion extract has been known to significantly reduce the appearance of scars after only a few weeks, with daily use, of course. In a grinder, add onions and make a paste. Squeeze out onion juice and apply. It not only helps in reducing the appearance of scars but also inflammation and redness. 17. Shea butter. Shea butter is known to be a skin superfood that nourishes skin to promote its clarity and addresses problems such as dryness, blemishes, dark spots, discolorations, stretch marks, and wrinkles without clogging pores. Firstly, wash your face, pat it dry with a soft, clean towel. Then, scoop a small amount of shea butter and rub it between the palms of your hands. Then gently massage your scars. Apply it daily to feel its moisturizing effects heal and brighten your skin. 18. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another great ingredient for skin. The oil is an antioxidant, so helps repair the skin. You can puncture the end of a vitamin E gel capsule. Take out the gel and apply directly on the scarred skin. Do this 2 or 3 times a day for better results. 19. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a great moisturizer for scarred skin. It gets easily absorbed into the skin, locking in moisture. It helps regrowth of the tissue, reducing scars. Apply a small amount of cocoa butter directly on the scars. Massage in to help it get absorbed into the skin. Repeat daily before bed and wash it off the next morning. 20. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a great ingredient that soothes skin. Witch hazel is touted as one of the best remedies for acne scars. The natural astringent can help control inflammation and decrease the redness. It can also decrease bacteria growth on the skin. Simply deposit some witch hazel solution or gel onto a cotton pad and sweep it across the affected area. Leave it overnight and clean it with warm water next morning. 21. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is an excellent beauty product that helps calm and repair the skin. High-quality rosehip oil contains essential fatty acids, vitamin E and antioxidants that promote skin rejuvenation and good health, ideal for combating scars and marks left by breakouts. Apply rosehip oil on your affected area using cotton pad. Cover the area with bandage and leave it for 24 hours. Repeat this daily for better results. You can also apply the product to your entire face. Rosehip can do much more than just dry out an active breakout, so skip the spot treatment and apply to your whole face. 22. Cucumber. Cucumber can help reduce acne scars. A cucumber mask or cucumber lotion can minimize inflammation and the appearance of scars on the face or body. Cucumbers also have lightening agents that will help reduce residual redness. Take 1 peeled cucumber and 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Mix it in a bowl. Apply to the face or other affected areas and leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. 23. Vaseline. Using petroleum jelly for scars may be beneficial during and after the healing process. Vaseline jelly is known for protecting minor cuts and burns, which may help to improve the appearance of scars, making the skin look smoother and softer, as well as help to reduce itchiness caused by dryness. Apply 3 times daily in a scar for 1 to 3 weeks. This ointment helps you keep your skin hydrated, so scarred skin appears less dry and rough. 24. Silicone sheets and gel. Of all the home remedies for scars, silicone may have the most evidence that it works. Some studies have confirmed that applying silicone sheeting or gel can gradually improve a scar's appearance. Silicone has a low risk of side effects and is usually easy and painless to use. You can start using silicone sheets 2 weeks after your wound has healed. Silicone gel should be applied twice a day until noticeable results are achieved. 25. Massage. Another great and affordable way to help your scarred skin heal faster is to try to massage the area with lotion. Massaging your scars is important. But do not massage until your incision has fully healed and is a scar. If you massage your scar prematurely, you could cause it to reopen or tear, leading to an infection. Do not massage a scar until at least 2 weeks after a surgery or injury. If you gently massage the scar for 15 to 30 seconds a few times a day, it'll help break down the dense bands of collagen that attach to underlying tissue. Massaging can help to soften and flatten the scar tissue. If you want to make a scar look less noticeable, you may want to try a natural remedy. There are many people who believe that natural remedies can get the job done. As with any home remedy, have a conversation with your doctor before starting. Your doctor can offer insights and recommendations about which remedies you should or should not try. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.